April's a really good time to garden in New Zealand. The days are shorter, the nights are cooler, and it's a really good time to get out before the cold hits. Here are some top tips for what you can do to help your garden looking really good this month. It's a really good time of the year to be planting cyclamen. They work really well outside and they work just as well inside in a pot. Give them lots of natural light and they'll reward you with months of blooms. Don't put them near the heater or a fire. These plants like it cool. Overwatering is another common ailment. It's a really good time to plant azaleas with their spectacular flowering ability and their brilliant coloured flowers. Another hardy hero is the camellia. Camellias are really easy to grow. Use as a hedge or a feature plant. They're a great choice with their evergreen foliage and delicate flowers from now through winter. It's time to update your veggie patch as well. If you've got some room, plant feijoas, easy to grow and yummy to eat. And if you need some advice, please come into Bunnings and talk to one of our helpful team members. And there's still lots of lovely things to harvest in the garden. Check out these wonderful beans and this beetroot ready to come out of the ground. It's time to pick carrots, celery, chilies, lettuce and marrows. Pick rhubarb as well as pears. Fresh, they are the best. April in the garden's a really good time to be replenishing and replanting some of our maybe tired garden beds. Well, for example, in this garden bed we would be lifting some of the perennials, clipping back, maybe dividing some of the things. Then it's a really good time to refresh the beds with some compost or some sheep pellets. This is a really good time of the year to be planting a green crop like lupins. It puts nitrogen in the soil and then can be dug in spring to give the soil more texture. So there you have it. This weekend, get out into your garden and really enjoy those magical autumn days. And if you're not sure what to do, come into one of our stores and talk to one of our friendly garden experts. Click here for more garden advice, or click here to go back to the website.